In this video, we're going to talk about how you can fix the Copilot language model unavailable and how it can be resolved using the GitHub Copilot language model. So for this case, you first need to perform our full authentication reset. So to do that, you can head over and click on the accounts or profile icon on the bottom left of VSCode. So here is it. So click on this. And after you have clicked on that, you can see this option to sign in to use GitHub Copilot. Head over and click on this part right here. So signing in will automatically show you in here this screen. Just head over and continue with GitHub right here. You can just open your command palette and select the developer reload window in order to actually do this. Now, once you have signed in into your GitHub Copilot, the next thing you need to do is to make sure or verify that your subscription is actually active or if on your free trial status. So to do this, you can just head over first to GitHub. Once you're on your GitHub, the next thing you need to do is to head over to your settings. You can click onto your profile icon right here and click on settings option. And once you have done that, the next thing to do is to head over to billings. Now you can head over and then find right here the overview and see if your plan is active, if you have any credits available, because this language model unavailable may be because you do not have enough credits to run the AI. So you can also switch to the extension pre-release version if you want. So you can head over first to your VS Code. And then once you're in here, head over right here to extensions tab. And once you're in there, just search right here for GitHub Copilot. Now in here, you can find the options for that. We have in here the GitHub Copilot for Azure, the mode, and the likes. Just choose right here this one. This is for the modernization. So head over and install this one next. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.